Hey everybody, welcome back. Listen, today we're going to be doing Gochujang, which is the Korean flavor paste, which is outstanding. We're going to make a barbecue sauce out of that paste. We're going to make baby back ribs. We're calling them Gochujang baby back ribs. Out of this world flavor, in the oven at home. Fantastic. We'll do it next on Buzz Cook, so stick around. All right, let's get right into these amazing, flavorful ribs. You're gonna love them. First, as always, you've got to take the membrane off the back. That's always important. Otherwise, you have not only crunchy ribs, but ribs that don't really get flavor all the way through because the seasoning can't penetrate that membrane. We're gonna flip it over, take off any excess fat and silver skin that we can. And once we get these ribs cleaned up, I'm going to put them into a throwaway aluminum foil pan to season them with. That keeps the seasoning from going all over the counter. So we're going to cut these in half. And what I'm going to use for seasoning on the back side is Kinder's salt, pepper, garlic mix. And on the meaty side, Killer Hog barbecue rub. So we'll put a good amount on both, flip them over, do the other side. Now you can set these in your refrigerator for about 4 hours or so. Or if you have a food saver, what I'm going to do is put them into that, suck all the air out, and I'll only have to keep them in the fridge for a few hours, because the food saver really helps marinate things a lot faster. So we'll just pop that in, suck the air out, and there we have it. Now we're going to take the ribs out of the refrigerator. We're going to wrap them in aluminum foil, nice and tight. And we're going to place these in the oven at 280 degrees for 2 hours. And we'll take these out. Be careful, that aluminum foil is going to be smoking hot. There we go. Look at that, perfect. So now we're going to take these out and we're going to brush them with our Gochujang barbecue sauce. Now for that sauce, what we did is 2 tablespoons of Gochujang paste, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon rice wine vinegar, or regular white vinegar will work as well if you don't have that. So we're going to coat these really well with the barbecue sauce, and then we'll pop these back into the oven again for about 45 minutes at 280. Then we'll pull them. We'll coat them again a second time with the barbecue sauce. Pop them back in for another 15-20 minutes. Let them sit for a minute or two, then we'll cut them up and serve them up. And I'm telling you, these ribs are outstanding. That flavor is amazing. Make these. The whole family's going to love them. And you're going to love them. And I'll see you on the next video. And I appreciate you all watching. And remember to hit that bell. Subscribe. Tell all your friends and family about us. And remember, I put out a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. All right? Again, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.